Thinking of visiting Labuan Bajo in April? Here's what the weather actually looks like in Komodo National Park. April is a beautiful transition month where the rainy season slowly shifts into the dry season. During this time, you can expect plenty of sunshine, warm tropical temperatures, and a refreshing sea breeze throughout the day. On average, temperatures range between 27 to 32 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for outdoor activities. Whether you're relaxing on the deck of a Fantasy, sailing between islands, or simply enjoying the ocean view, the weather feels just right. One of the best parts about visiting Komodo in April is the sea condition. The waters are generally calm, creating a smooth and comfortable sailing experience. This makes it an ideal time for slow travel, where you can truly unwind, disconnect, and enjoy every moment at sea. Visually, April is also a special time. The islands are still lush and green after the rainy season, giving you a more vibrant and refreshing landscape compared to the drier months. Another advantage of traveling in April is fewer crowds. You'll find that many destinations feel more private, more peaceful, and far more exclusive. So, is April a good time to visit Komodo? Absolutely. If you're looking for sunny days, calm seas, and a more relaxed, intimate escape, April might just be the perfect time for you. And discover the beauty of Komodo National Park with Komodo Luxury.